Do you know something funny?
What?
I think my best friend knows me better than my family.
Really?
Yes, it's a little scary.
That sounds like a true best friend.
What about you?
Me too.
Your best friend knows everything about you?
Almost everything.
Oh no, that sounds dangerous.
It is dangerous.
So, who is your best friend?
His name is Jake.
How long have you known him?
Since middle school.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah, more than 10 years.
That's amazing.
What about your best friend?
Her name is Emma.
Childhood friend?
Yes, we met when we were kids.
That's sweet.
We were in the same class.
Did you become friends quickly?
Not really.
No?
At first, I thought she was rude.
Seriously?
Yes, she never smiled.
Maybe she was shy.
Exactly. Later, I learned she was very shy.
First impressions can be wrong.
Very wrong.
Jake was the opposite.
What do you mean?
He talked too much.
Really?
All the time.
Like now?
Hey,
I'm joking.
but yes, a little like now.
That's funny.
He sat next to me in class one day.
And
He asked me 20 questions in 10 minutes.
20.
Maybe 30.
Poor you.
I know.
But now he's your best friend.
Yeah, life is strange sometimes.
Very strange.
What do you usually do with Emma?
We talk a lot.
About what?
Everything.
Give me examples.
Work, family, stress, food, relationships.
That really is everything.
Even silly things.
Like what?
Like why cats look angry all the time.
That's an important topic.
Very important.
I agree.
What about you and Jake?
We usually play basketball.
Nice.
And we watch movies together.
Action movies.
Mostly action and comedy.
Do you cry during emotional movies?
Never.
Never.
Okay, sometimes.
I knew it.
Only a little.
Sure.
What kind of movies do you like?
Romantic movies.
Of course.
And sad movies.
Why sad movies?
I don't know, they feel real.
Interesting.
Do men hate sad movies?
Not all men.
But you do?
I pretend to hate them.
Ah, so you secretly like them.
Maybe.
I knew it.
You sound very proud.
I am.
So what makes Emma your best friend?
Hum.
Big question, right?
Yeah.
Take your time.
I think she listens to me.
That's important.
Very important.
Good listeners are rare.
Exactly.
Does she give good advice too?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Sometimes her advice is terrible.
That's honest.
But she always cares.
And that matters more.
Yes.
Jake gives terrible advice too.
Really?
One time he told me to text my ex-girlfriend.
Oh no.
Exactly.
Did you do it?
Yes.
Why?
I was stupid.
What happened?
She'd ignored me.
Ouch.
Big ouch.
Did Jake apologize?
No, he laughed.
That's a real friend.
Yeah, a terrible friend.
But a funny one.
True.
Friends should make us laugh.
Definitely.
Especially during hard times.
I agree.
Emma helped me a lot last year.
What happened?
I lost my job.
I'm sorry.
It's okay now.
That must have been stressful.
Very stressful.
Did she support you?
Every day.
That's beautiful.
She called me every night.
Wow.
She kept saying, "You're going to be okay."
Sometimes we need to hear that.
Yes,
Even simple words can help.
exactly.
Jake helped me when my father was sick.
That must have been difficult.
It was.
Was he there for you?
Every single day.
That's a true friend.
Yeah,
Sometimes friendship feels stronger during difficult moments.
I think so too.
Hard times show who really cares.
That's true.
Did you ever fight with Jake?
Many times.
Really?
We once stopped talking for 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah,
What happened?
something stupid.
Usually it's something stupid.
We argued during a basketball game.
Seriously?
Yes.
Men are funny.
Hey, women fight too.
That's true.
Did you ever fight with Emma?
Oh, yes.
About what?
Clothes.
Clothes?
I borrowed her jacket.
And,
I lost it.
oh no,
Exactly.
was it expensive?
Very expensive.
Double oh no.
She was so angry.
I understand.
I bought her a new one later.
Good idea.
But she still talks about it sometimes.
Friends never forget,
Never.
especially embarrassing stories.
Emma remembers every embarrassing thing about me.
Same with Jake.
That's dangerous.
Very dangerous.
What's your most embarrassing moment?
No way.
Come on.
Absolutely not.
I'll share mine first.
Okay,
One time I waved at someone in the mall,
sounds normal.
but it wasn't my friend.
Oh no,
It was a stranger.
that happens.
Wait, it gets worse.
Oh,
I hugged him.
you hugged a stranger?
Yes,
That's amazing.
it was terrible.
What did he say?
He said, hello?
I can't stop laughing.
Emma laughed for 2 days.
I would laugh too.
Okay, your turn.
Fine.
I'm listening.
I once called my teacher mom.
No,
Yes,
in class.
in front of everyone.
That's painful.
Very painful.
What did the teacher do?
She smiled,
That's kind.
but my classmates laughed for weeks.
I would too.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Friends are supposed to support us.
And laugh at us sometimes.
True.
Do you think it's hard to make real friends now?
Sometimes, yes.
Why?
People are busy,
That's true.
and many people only talk online.
Social media changed things.
Definitely,
People have many online friends now.
but not many close friends.
Exactly.
Real friendship takes time
And trust.
and honesty.
And patience.
Good friendships grow slowly.
I like that sentence.
Me too,
Some people think friendship should be easy all the time.
but it's not.
Real friendships have problems too.
Exactly.
But good friends stay.
Even after fights,
Even after mistakes.
even after bad advice.
Especially after bad advice.
True.
Do you text Emma every day?
Emma is your friend.
Oh, right.
You forgot your own friend.
I need coffee.
Clearly,
Okay, do you text Jake every day?
almost every day.
What do you talk about?
Mostly random things.
Like?
Memes, sports, food.
Men really send food photos to each other.
Of course.
That's adorable.
We are simple creatures.
I text Emma every day too.
About serious things.
Sometimes.
And other times.
We send dog videos.
That sounds fun.
It is fun.
Laughter is important in friendship.
Yes,
Life is stressful enough already.
exactly.
Good friends make life lighter.
That's a beautiful way to say it.
Thank you.
Did you ever lose a close friend?
Yeah,
What happened?
we changed.
That happens sometimes.
We became different people.
Was it painful?
A little.
I understand.
Friendship changes as we grow older.
Yes,
Some friends stay forever.
and some don't.
That's life.
But we still remember them.
Definitely.
I think every friend teaches us something.
I like that idea.
Some teach us happiness.
Some teach us patience.
Some teach us what not to do.
Very true.
What's the best thing Jake taught you?
To relax more.
You worry too much?
All the time.
I understand that feeling.
Jake always says, calm down. Everything will be okay.
That's nice.
What did Emma teach you?
To believe in myself.
That's powerful.
She always encourages me.
Everyone needs a friend like that.
Yes,
Did you ever travel together?
yes, once.
How was it?
Fun but stressful.
Why stressful?
We got lost.
Classic travel story.
Our phones died too.
Even worse.
We walked for hours.
Did you fight?
A little.
Only a little.
Okay, a lot.
That sounds more honest.
But later we laughed about it.
Those memories become special later.
Exactly.
Jake and I went camping once.
Was it fun?
Not really.
Why?
It rained all night.
Oh no.
Our tent broke.
That sounds terrible.
And Jake forgot the food.
He forgot the food?
Yes,
What did you eat?
crackers.
Only crackers?
And sadness.
You are dramatic.
A little.
Did you enjoy the trip at all?
Honestly, yes.
Really?
We laughed the whole time.
Sometimes bad trips become good memories.
Exactly.
That's friendship.
Yep.
You know what I love about close friends?
What?
Silence feels comfortable.
Oh, that's true.
You don't always need to talk.
Real friends understand quiet moments too.
Exactly.
No pressure.
Just comfort.
That's a great feeling.
Very peaceful.
I think everyone wants a friend like that.
Someone who accepts you completely,
Even your weird side.
especially your weird side.
Good point.
So, do you think one best friend is enough?
Then,
Difficult question.
a little.
I think one real friend is enough.
Quality over quantity.
Exactly.
Some people have many friends.
But still feel lonely.
That's sad.
Yeah.
A close friendship feels different.
More honest.
More comfortable.
More real.
Exactly.
I'm feeling emotional now.
Me too.
We sound like an emotional podcast.
Welcome to Friendship Talk.
Episode 1.
Sponsored by Memories and Bad Decisions.
Especially bad decisions.
Definitely.
I hope everyone listening has a good friend.
Me too.
And if they don't,
They will meet someone someday.
yes,
Friendships often start unexpectedly.
like sitting next to someone in class.
Or borrowing a jacket and losing it.
Please stop mentioning the jacket.
Never.
Emma would enjoy this conversation.
Jake too.
We should all meet someday.
That sounds dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Too many embarrassing stories in one room.
True.
Before we finish, let's share one message.
For English learners.
Yes,
Okay.
don't be afraid to speak English.
Mistakes are normal.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Even native speakers.
Practice a little every day.
Listen carefully.
Repeat useful phrases.
And speak with confidence.
Confidence grows slowly.
Just like friendship.
Nice ending.
Thank you.
Thanks for talking with me today.
Thanks for listening.
And remember,
Good friends make life better.
see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.